Harnessing modern efficiency, we bring the finest sugar from our fields to your table.
Truck 4 approaching Bay 7, confirm clearance.
Clearance confirmed. Guiding the driver now.
Manifest updated, dispatch reports green light.
Bricks level is 22.4, pole reading 98.2.
Confirmed. Sample logged.
We have 3 trucks arriving simultaneously at Gate 2.
Acknowledged. Rerouting the convoy now.
We need to adjust the settings on this panel. The cycle time is off by 20 seconds.
Control to processing. The feed rate is optimized. We are clear for continuous operation.
As you can see, the strategic buffer is holding steady at 90% capacity.
That's well within our target range for the next shift.
Pressure spike detected on auxiliary line 3. Rerouting flow.
Confirmed. Temperature holding steady at critical levels.
The vibration on pump 7 is increasing.
I see it. Let's reduce the throughput by 10% and monitor the gauges.
The scale of the operation is immense. 10 massive clarifier tanks work in series.
Engaging the hydraulics now. Check the input valve. Input secure. Pressure is climbing smoothly. The mud depth is stable according to the sight glass.
All right, recording the data now.
Check the trend graph on Sector 7. We have a slight deviation here.
Yes, I see it. The system is compensating automatically.
We've got a hot spot on flange 7. The thermal reading is spiking.
Okay, I see it. Moving to check the next section now.
Refractometer reads 72 bricks.
Confirmed. Well within the acceptable range.
Recovery rates are steady at 98%.
Good, let's maintain the current flow for the next cycle.
Temperature holding steady at 25 Celsius.
Confirmed. Capacity is at 90%.
This gauge shows the steam pressure. It's crucial we keep it within the green zone during peak operation. Rerouting the excess electricity to the southern grid. The automation sequence is holding steady at 95% efficiency.
Check the refractometer reading again.
It's holding steady at 1.45. The larger crystals look perfect.
How is the purity looking on this batch?
Holding steady at 98%. Temperature is stable in the jacketed tanks.
The coordinated multi-machine supply system simultaneously feeds the Massaquite mixture, overseen by the technical team.
Looks like we're almost clear on the centrifuge.
Yeah, the flow rate is dropping. Looks good.
As you can see, the differential pressure is holding steady right at the set point.
Yes, the flow rate looks consistent across the series.
Conductivity is holding steady. Check the pH on the secondary screen.
Looks good. Demineralization is optimized.
The rapid spinning ensures premium separation, resulting in the brilliant white sugar you see here.
Check the volumetric readings here.
Looks stable, but keep an eye on the humidity sensor.
The efficiency metrics have improved significantly since the last adjustment.
Yes, the coordination is flawless. We are maintaining peak throughput across all lines.
Check the weight on line 3. Looks steady. We are almost done here.
The efficiency metrics are dropping in the southeast quadrant. We need to adjust the throughput immediately.
Adjusting now.
All right, team, your assignments for the shift are loaded onto the tablets. Review them now and confirm completion by 1600 hours.
The readout here indicates a slight variance in the batch.
Let's cross-reference that with the control group data immediately.